Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Stremio on mobile. First of all, you'll go to App Store or Google Play Store if you have an Android phone and install it. After that, it should look like this. And you'll have three options: continue with Facebook, sign up, and login. If you already have on Facebook, you can continue to sign in with Facebook address. This will open automatically your Facebook and it's all done. If not, you can sign up, put your email, a new password, and I accept the terms and conditions, make a tick, click, and click. Then you can do sign up. After that, it will work and you'll get registered with your own email. If not, you can just press login if you already have an account in this app, and it would be more easier than the others. Or you can just put guest login and it's gonna take you in a page like this with movies and series and all of this. If this video has helped you, hit the like and subscribe button and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.